Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set the clock on your Frigidaire, stove. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. This is the official manual. So to set the clock on your stove, what you need to do is first locate the clock or time button. Okay, locate that button. And then what you need to do, guys, you'll find this on the control panel, right? What you need to do is press this button. And then I want you to go ahead and use these keys, right? So we have the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the hours and minutes, right, as needed. Now, some models may actually require you to press and hold the clock button for a few seconds before you can adjust the time. And once the correct time is displayed, okay, here on the control panel, what I need you to do is go ahead and press the start button, or you can press the set clock button to save it. Okay, now this completely depends on your version, but for this one, you just press the start button, as you can see right here, right? And if you want to ever turn that off, you just press the off button, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.